I will do the speech in English, so to make it available also once on the YouTube channel for every customer that we have also outside Italy. Present myself, Guido Meneghini, Global Sector Manager for Bonfiglioli Group. Today we will speak about the Bonfiglioli solutions for the metalworking applications. So let's start by presenting Bonfiglioli Group, some facts and figures. We are a company with 20 production sites all over the world. We are present in 80 countries and we reached 4,700 people globally. In terms of numbers, we have to say that recently our growth has been massive because in 2021, as you see, we overcame the threshold of €1 billion turnover. And also during the COVID year in 2020, we managed to keep the turnover level on a very reasonable level compared to 2019. And also in 2022, we passed 1.2 billion. In terms of footprint, we are proud also to present our new factory in Bologna, our new headquarter, which is called Evo from Evolution, where we are capable to produce, and we do produce, more than 1 million gearboxes per year. We have 15,000 square meters for machining, 20,000 square meters for assembly, and 400 employees over there. Let's go more in detail about the metalworking application. So what do we do for our customers in the metalworking industry? Here we have an example of a laser tube cutting machine where we provide several drive systems for different axes. So we have industrial gearboxes coupled with asynchronous motors and open loop inverters, for example, for the bar loader axis, for the push feed axis, and also for the bar unloader. On the other side, also we have more sophisticated, more precise mechatronic solutions, for example, for the bar size changer and for the load and unload pinches with planetary precision gearboxes, servo motors, and servo inverters. What can we offer and what did we offer to the customer? Bonfiglioli presents itself as a one-stop shop. So this means that we have suitable solutions for whole machine axis. We have also flexible solutions thanks to a very wide product portfolio. This makes our solution easy to assembly and ready to go. So by having a really wide product portfolio, we can assemble them in many ways, and in this way we can really find a solution with the customer in order to assemble our products into the machine. We are also capable with our inverters to communicate with any field bus, and so we are adaptable to existing designs. And also, again, on the inverter side, we have a top-class inverter power density, meaning that in the cabinet we take less space than our competitors. Another example is a full automatic working line for metal sheets. You can see here the different solutions we do provide. So we have gearboxes for the tray pulley, servo gear motors for a translation, high translation, lifter, Cartesian manipulators, centering devices, and conveyors. So what we propose to our customer is also, again, thanks to the product portfolio, the capability to combine industrial gearboxes, so with good enough precision, with servo motors, meaning that we provide also high dynamics. In this way, having products which are fully controlled by the Bonfiglioli R&D, we are capable to give you what you really need, and this was really a big success case. In terms of future, one-stop shop, I spoke before, the concept is the same. We have also sector expertise at your disposal for co-design. We don't come to you and say what we hope you will buy, but we are flexible enough in order to find a solution together. So we can optimize the sizing via the Bonfiglioli servo selection tool to combine performances and cost effectiveness. Our aim is to provide you just what you need. So just the performances that you need and not more, not asking you to pay more because we have to over-dimension. As a last feature, we have also servo gear motor-based solutions. So, as I was saying before, high dynamics with good enough precision and a compact solution overall. Another solution we are proud to present is the metal sheet bending metal sheet bending, the typical servo press. What we do provide is a servo gear motors plus inverter for the bending device, the one you see on top. Here we typically offer a planetary industrial gearbox coupled with the servo motor and premium inverter. In case the customer asks us, we are capable to offer with the safety integrated. Also for the Croning device, we have a parallel shaft servo gear motor with premium inverter. What does it mean in terms of features? On the bending device, planetary gearbox solution for the bending axis has the benefit of enhanced durability, requiring less maintenance compared to the parallel shaft design. We are mechanically compatible with existing parallel shaft design, so this means that we take the same space, really up to the centimeter, we take the same space, and this makes our solution easy to be refit on existing machine or on existing designs. And on the Croning device, we have an all-in-one gearbox design, which means that there is no need for additional pulleys, and it is much easier and much shorter in terms of time to assemble. Last application we present to you are roller tables. So these are used into several production plants to transport material along different process sections. And what we are doing, what we provide to the customer is a solution that you can see as the ones I present you before, that you can see in our booth, is a solution with, again, planetary industrial gearbox, the 300 series, coupled with the BSR motor, which is Bonfiglioli synchronous reluctance motor, which is a motor with servo performances, but is very, very close to, let me say, asynchronous costing. And what we call DGM, so decentralized inverter solution. What are the benefits here of the 300 gearbox? The benefits are typically robustness and high overload capacity. Being planetary, it is capable to manage stress in a much better way than a parallel shaft design or bevel design. With the BSR, we are capable to reach IE4 efficiency due to the fact that we don't have a copper into the rotor. So there is also the torque option. And overall, we have to call it quite a cold motor. So the performances are quite flexible and we can push it a lot for it. On the DGM series, so the decentralized inverter, we have integrated PLC. This means reducing the wiring cost for our customer and reduction of electrical cabinet size. The power range in this case goes from 0.3 kilowatt up to 30. But again, if you want more information about all these products, all these solutions, you can visit our booth, which is just over there. Some takeaways just to finish my speech. Bonfiglioli is an experienced provider of mechatronic solution for the metalworking industry. So we work in this industry since decades. Our solution portfolio ranges from industrial gearboxes to precision ones, motors and servo motors, up even to IE5, and inverters of different types. We have a global presence in the continents with local supply chain and local support. And we are really fully oriented to tailor-made solution development, so to co-design with our customers. Thank you.